Doctors will be amazed. 3 tablespoons of this mixture a day. We present you the recipe for the preparation of the natural elixir that increases the number of red blood cells and has a positive effect on overall blood count. 200 milliliters honey, 200 grams walnuts, 200 grams raisins, 200 milliliters of carrot juice, 200 milliliters of beetroot juice, 2 lemons. Preparation: wash the lemon, cut it in half, and remove the seeds from each half. Grind them together with the rind, and then put the mass in a 1-liter glass jar. Add the juice of beetroot and carrots and mix everything well. Then add the minced or finely chopped nuts and raisins and stir again. Keep the prepared elixir in a jar in the fridge. Take 1 tablespoon of this mixture before each meal, 3 times a day. You will be full of energy, and after a 2-week use, check your blood count and you will be positively surprised.